So apparently I became this vlogger overnight because I'm not supposed to be vlogging today. But, 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 I woke up like this. I was like, ooh, I look cute. Look how my bun's still standing. Even though it's messy, but it still looks so nice. So yeah, this is the next day from when I ran errands and did my bun and all that stuff. So bun looked like this after loosening it up to sleep because I wasn't sleeping in that tight bun. And I'm gonna put my two braids back in. But I was not supposed to vlog, but I wanted y'all to see the cereal. Have y'all ever tried this Raisin Bran with cranberries? They have one with bananas. They have the crunch one. But I think this one is the best one. It's so good. And I add bananas to it. Fresh bananas to it. And it's delicious. It got cranberries. If you love cranberries, you will love this. If you love cranberries and raisins. Because I love regular Raisin Bran. Don't mind me because I look a mess. I look a mess. So I'm about to get ready. But today I was not supposed to vlog. What I was supposed to do today is, what I am going to do today is clean out my closet because remember in the other vlog, I told y'all that I ordered Amazon door hooks to hang the clothes on. So I ordered 2. And in the reviews, one girl hung 20 pair of jeans. I'm not going to use them for jeans. And you know jeans is heavy. So maybe I can get like 30 outfits on there, if not 40. That's not heavy on one hook. And then the next hook, another 40. That would be great, because if she can hang 20 pair of jeans and jeans are heavy, it should work. And she said it's heavy duty, it lasted long. It was a lot of good reviews. So that's what made me buy it. And it looked like it's sturdy. It's small, but they said it hangs a lot of stuff. But y'all will see. I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to do a unboxing. I already made my coffee. This is French roast with hazelnut creamer and French vanilla creamer with a tablespoon of stevia. So I'm back on my sugar-free. Not everything is going to be sugar-free, but for the most part, mostly all my stuff is sugar-free. But y'all know I still celebrate my birthday. So I was drinking. I had wine. I had cake. My friend Neek, she brought me all these snacks to try and stuff. So, you know, all that wasn't sugar-free, but about to get back on my sugar-free kick. And it's been working. On that sugar-free kick, just alone in 1 week, I had lost 10 pounds. That shows that I eat a lot of sugar. I used to. I can live, I think I can go the rest of my life without eating food and just eat junk food. But now, when you stop eating that stuff and you get the sugar-free stuff, and it's good, and it tastes just as good as the regular stuff, you don't even crave the other sugar stuff, because all those snacks that my friend brought me, I had one of each thing to try, and like maybe the next day or day or so or the next week, I had a couple more, but all that stuff is still there, so still a lot of love, and I'm not even craving it. I don't even crave it, so excuse me. My mom don't eat that stuff either. So I told my boyfriend he can have as much as he want, because, or he could just have it basically, because I'm not going to be eating it. We're not going to be eating it. And it's going to go to waste, but it's good. I did the taste testing. Don't be mad at me, y'all, but I didn't do it on my channel. I did it in my cousin's cooking group on Facebook. I did a live video, a live taste testing. The reason why I didn't do it on my channel, because I noticed when I do taste testings and me tasting stuff, the video don't do well. It's barely people watching it. It's like, y'all not here for taste testing. I mean, some of y'all are. I know Miss D, she love when I do taste testing videos. I know my cousin Keisha love when I do taste testing videos. But a lot of people not here for it. So y'all know the main people that's on my channel, that come from my channel, they want to see fashion. Basically, people like to see me take my clothes off and put different outfits on, and they like to see different fashion items. Because my channel started out fashion. Like, that's how I started out, and it's basically mainly fashion. My channel is mainly fashion, but your girl not gonna be buying clothes every day. So I have to show y'all that I'm not just fashion. I can do it all. And I told everyone in the beginning, that's in my bio, it's in the about. If you read it, you're going to see fashion. You're going to see mostly fashion, but my channel is about all different things. I don't want to be set in one bubble, like just fashion. I want to vlog. Apparently, I never was one to vlog because I don't like to just pick up the camera and just start talking. But I'm doing it. Vlog. Mukbangs is now introduced to my channel. Eating on camera. Now, y'all like those. A lot of people really don't, but y'all like those videos, the mukbangs, because I chit chat too. I start talking when I do the mukbangs. When I do reviews and taste testing, y'all like reviews too, but it's just like when I'm just particularly doing taste testing, like the cereal and all that, the video don't do too well. It really, and in the chat either, like when I do the live chat, it really don't do well. So I was like, I tried to go live though. I tried to go live that day on YouTube. I gave y'all 5 minutes. I tried to go live. I came here first. I was like, let me do YouTube first, go live. Because my mom was like, don't do that to your subscribers. Don't do that to your fashion dolls. Let them get the taste testing first and then head over to the cooking group. But I was in the mood to do a live video. I didn't want to sit there and film a video, edit it, and do all that. I wanted to just do a live video. So I tried YouTube first. I tried to do a live video. 5 minutes. No one came on. One person came on and left. No one talked or anything. And I'm not one to be sitting here talking to myself in a live video and doing a whole video and no one is on there and no one is talking to me. So I could have just did a regular video on that point. But I went to my cousin cooking show and in the first minute, 2 minutes, no one was on there. But then people started coming on. People was interacting. That's what I need. Y'all be doing me dirty with the live. So, but I did a poll. Y'all said y'all want the live videos. Even some of y'all commented and said y'all want them. And I said, okay. It was 100% that said they want the live videos. And then the other question was, no, I put no, I don't like live videos. And it was 0. No one said that they don't like them. Everybody wanted a live video. So your girl is going to start doing live videos. And like I said in the, I'm talking fast, and it seems like I'm talking loud, but I'm hyped. Like I said in the comments on that post, I said I expect every last one of y'all to interact with me, the ones that's saying that they want the live video. So when I get on live, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna announce it first. I'm gonna put on the community post that I'm gonna go live at such and such day, such and such time. That way they'll give y'all a head start, like I do my premieres. And I'm gonna go live, and y'all just better be there. And y'all better interact with me. Well, I'm not doing them anymore. But this is the other one they got. They got this one too. But let me pour my cereal. I need some tea because my throat been a little scratchy. I've been drinking tea every day. First time I had coffee was yesterday and today in like a week or two. Because my allergies been acting up. And you know dairy is not good for your allergies. Excuse me. Dairy is not good for your allergies. So I've been drinking tea. Y'all like my teacup? Teacup. Y'all get it? Teacup and a little tea for Tasha. But yeah, and I have my almond milk. I have my almond milk. But I'm about to pour me some cereal, put some bananas in it. So what else I was going to say? We talked about the sugar-free stuff. Oh yeah, so I got the hooks. I'm going to organize all of that stuff. I probably won't get it all done today. It probably will be 2 parts. I'm not going to do it in this video. It's going to be a separate video, but I will show y'all the hooks in this video. I probably show y'all how I'm going to get started with it. And we got another package. I'll show y'all another package that we had. And y'all will see that video coming up soon. And the other package, I didn't even get to do that day. I was so tired. And I'm waiting for something else to come to go with it. So that's another reason why I didn't want to do it. And that comes within like 3 days. So, yeah. Okay, y'all. Let's get some cereal. Wow, that look busted. Don't mind my bleach on my, you know how long I had this, nightgown? I couldn't tell you. But it's one of my favorite nightgowns. I wore this on my channel back in the day. If y'all can find that video, I give y'all a prize. Because I wore this a while ago. I think I got it from Walmart. A lot of my night shirts is from Walmart. Damn, I'm all spilling it. Spilling it. Walmart has the best night shirts. Nice, soft, and comfortable. And Shein has some great nightgowns and things. Their pajamas and stuff is so comfortable. Then I put a whole fresh banana I love bananas in my oatmeal, in my cereal. It depends on what kind of cereal, but I love it in any kind of oatmeal. Y'all like oatmeal? I know a lot of people don't. My favorite oatmeal is cinnamon apple, apple cinnamon, and I still add bananas to it. See the banana, what you call it, the Raisin Bran banana. I really don't like it because it's the banana chips. It's like the dry bananas rather, and they're hard and they're so sweet. Y'all see that little brown part? So what I do is just slice that little brown part off right in the trash can. Some people would just throw this whole part away just because they had that brown part. Nope, just slice it off. Put your bananas in there. And the cool trick, if y'all don't know, because some people don't know, because I've seen some people do it and just throw the bananas away. These bananas are fresh, but when they get really, really old, do not throw them away. Slice them up and freeze them and put them in your smoothie. Or slice them up and freeze them, and you can put them in your cereal once they frozen. Or, I don't know about your cereal. I never did that. But I use them for my smoothies. But do whatever you want with them. But do not throw. I hate when people throw away stuff thinking it's bad. When they're ripe like that, they're really the best. So you don't like to eat it like that. Just freeze it. I'm just giving y'all a little tip. Y'all know I like to give little tips and tricks. Ooh, your girl poured too much milk. Ooh, I'm talking about wasting stuff because that's going to get wasted. I poured a little too much milk. I'm just dropping. Y'all, since I'm working with one hand, I already started opening it. So it's two, and this is how it looks, basically. It's an over door closet rod. Now, y'all think it don't look like 40 outfits gonna fit on here, but the girl had 20 pair of jeans on this thing. And what she did was she had hooks, like little hooks that she put all along that rod, and she hung her jeans by the belt loops. Let me see something. All right, I'm gonna come back because I know I'm not gonna be able to open this. Okay, y'all. So it comes in 3 separate pieces. It feels pretty sturdy, but I've broken a lot of hooks in my day. Like same day, breaking plastic, metal. I've broken some hooks. I broke a whole clothes rack because I go overboard. I just keep adding stuff and then I forget. But this clothes rack that I've gotten, my latest one, it's been doing really good because I only keep the stuff that I sell on there. So, and some stuff that I can't fit in my closet, I'll just put on there and just know I'm not selling it. But, okay, so I'm about to just put this together really fast because it's quick. 3 simple steps. Okay, y'all, don't mind my messy bed. I didn't make my bed up yet. So, this is how it looks. I put it together, just 3 simple steps, like I said. And it's going to hang on the door just like that. This part will be up and the clothes going to hang. Y'all will see. Okay, now I'm about to give y'all a little teaser. Little quick. So here's a sneak peek of the next haul. Y'all see what it is. I'm about to open it for y'all. Give y'all a little sneak peek. You seen it here first. I'll be right back. Look, y'all. What's this? Ooh, what's that, y'all? What y'all think that is? So y'all will see this haul soon. Well, I can't show y'all too much. It's going to defeat the whole purpose of the haul. Showing y'all a little bit. A little bit. Y'all see these colors? Ooh, what's that? Ooh, what's that? Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. Y'all have to wait until the haul comes out. Of course, it's going to be a haul and try on. And I'm not going to end the vlog just yet. I'm going to show y'all me getting some of the stuff together. And hopefully the next video will be me organizing this closet. I really don't want to, but I have to. Okay. All right. I'll be back. I put both together and I'm about to get started. We have a video coming out today, so I'm about to chat with y'all in the premiere. So I was thinking about filming like whoever's in the premiere. If it's a lot of people in the premiere, or it's at least like 3 to 4 people in the premiere, I'll film it and let y'all say hi to the vlog. Okay, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I just finished the live chat. Shout out to everyone that was in the live chat. It was popping today. So y'all will see. Well, the only person that said hi was my friend Mark. So shout out to Mark Tilly for saying hi in the chat. Look at Mittens, y'all. I really shouldn't have slept with the window open. I slept with the window open last night because I was sweating. First I had the heat on, blast. Then I started sweating, so I slept with the window open. And now my throat been scratchy since I came back from the Poconos because it was really cold out there. But I took Theraflu and I've been drinking tea all week and I was doing much better. But now my allergies is kicking in and my throat is like scratchy. Look at her. She mad because I'm talking. So, yeah, I shouldn't have slept with that window open. But I'm about to order me some more Theraflu. Get some more tea. Because I never get sick, thank God. So, when I feel myself getting sick, I stop it before it even starts. She mad. She mad. She about to snap. All right. I'll be back. Hey, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm still not dressed. Still looking a mess. But I'm still looking cute, though. I'm about to end this vlog, but I'm just going to show y'all me taking this stuff down. I am going to take all this down. That way, the hooks are going to hang here. Let me see if I can lift this up. Because, first of all, the camera is not even how it's supposed to be on here. Mittens mad. Oh, see, it's about to drop. Mittens mad because she's trying to go to sleep and I'm talking. I'm going to hold it because I don't even have it on a tripod like it's supposed to be. But the hooks is going to hang right here and behind here. So let me fix this before it falls. I'm all discombobulated. Okay. I got sidetracked because I did that. I had a live premiere. Well, we had a live premiere and I forgot. I knew I had one because I had made a reminder to everyone. But then I actually forgot. See, all these hangers is just messing up my clothes. Not all of my clothes, but some of them is getting those titties in them. My mom said it's not called titty bubbles. It's called titties. When the little, it stick up like this, the bubbles. She says it's not called titty bubbles. It's just called titties. Okay. Well, it's getting little titties in here. I don't even know if I'm going to get a warning or something from YouTube for saying titties. Okay, all this is all. So I'm going to just set all this stuff on my bed. Now that Mittens has moved because she was in the way. Then I have to get all this. So I'm going to end it now because I need to get my life. I need to get dressed. Well, not even get dressed. Get in the shower and get ready to do a haul. I have to do that haul from Old Navy. And I need to do this. So I probably do. I'm going to have to. I already put the clothes on my bed. I'm not going to do a haul with all those clothes on my bed. I'm going to do the organizing first. That will be the first video. I need to just get my life, basically. And I want the organizing video to be a whole separate video. That's why I'm not doing it now. So, this was another random vlog, but I'm not going to call it another random vlog. Yeah, I should call it another random vlog. I want to say random, and I keep on saying vlog with it, and it's like vandom. That sounds like vandalism. But anywho, I don't know what I'm going to title this, but anywho, if y'all like this video, if y'all like this vlog, if y'all want to see more vlogs like this, if y'all liking these vlogs, let me know. So if y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so y'all know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see your girls vlogging. I'm getting up every day and vlogging, guys. Yes. Okay. Leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Let me know if y'all want more videos like this. Till next time, love you guys, y'all. Bye, my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all. I don't know what that clap was.